breast enhancement surgeries, meaning how to increase the size of the breast by doing surgery. There is a most common surgery which is done for increasing the breast size, which is the breast implant surgeries. Now there are so many questions about the breast implant surgery. Let's take on one by one. So who can undergo breast enhancement or breast implant surgeries? A woman having very small breast. Now the breast development itself is very small and they don't grow beyond the size. Very important and very easy surgery to do is a breast implant. So what is a breast implant? It is a silicone implant which is designed in a way in different shapes and sizes to increase the volume of a breast. How can we achieve ideal breast using a breast implant? How do we choose the size of the breast implant? It is more important. So when we see a woman, according to their frame, the shoulder width and the frame and size, the breast implant is usually chosen. We also ask the patient how much they want their breast to be bigger. Do they desire a 1 cup size increase, 2 cup size increase? They want to be very big or a subtle improvement. We also give sizers to them to keep it inside their dress and see that what will suit them the best. Now after we have decided the size of the implant and the shape of the implant, the surgery, it's very simple. It takes around 1 to 1.5 hours to undergo the surgery, done under general anesthesia. Breast implant is either underneath the breast, either under the gland or under the muscle. That depends upon patient to patient, depending upon how much of thickness they already have on their breast. When it is done by a 4 to 5 centimeter small incision, which is done in the inframammary fold, which is the line where the bra straps go. The incision is very concealed. It is not shown at all. It is like a line, and usually the stitches are absorbable and we don't need to cut it again. So we slide the breast implant under the breast so that when you see from the top or when you feel from the top, it is your own breast tissue. But underneath there is an implant which is pushing and giving it a more fuller and perkier shape. Usually the women ask me the question when they come for the consultation that, doctor, breast implant if we put, how much is the chance of breast cancer? Because when they search on Google, there are so many things about it. So let me tell you this. Thus, breast implant does not increase the possibility of having a breast cancer. When we talk about breast cancer, generally some women are susceptible. It can be also genetic, but that is a different thing and that is not associated with breast implant. So breast implant is safe to undergo, and it also allows the periodic screenings like MRI and mammogram to be done very safely. So even if a patient develops a breast cancer normally in their after doing the breast implant, it is still identifiable. Now a very rare case of breast implant related lymphoma had been reported few years ago, which was associated with a particular kind of breast implant and which has already been taken off from the market. So yes, on the whole, breast implant surgery is a very safe and very quick surgery to be done, and there is no other complications which are major life-related risks which are associated with it. How long is the recovery after the breast implant surgery? So it is typically done under 1 to 1.5 hours. It is a daycare surgery, so you don't have to stay in the hospital even overnight. You can come in the morning, get the surgery done and go back to your house in the afternoon. Pain associated with the surgery is not very much. It is only that much that it can be very well managed with the painkillers, oral painkiller tablets which we give post-surgery. After the surgery, we also give you a surgical bra, which is something like a sports bra to give you the support so that the implant sets in place. Now for a week or so, there can be little discomfort related to the implant pushing the skin and trying to make its way in the skin. So that compression or expansion due to the implant can lead to some minor discomfort but not necessarily pain. Patient usually go back to their usual work after 2 to 3 days. Desk job and all, everything can be resumed. What cannot be done up to the period of 10 days is overhead activities where you have to take your hand completely above your head and reach out to some above substances. Apart from that, breast implant is a very safe surgery and it is very rewarding because you can choose the size and shape of the implant and immediately get the breast size and shape which you desire. Anything more you know about the breast implant, kindly DM. I will be happy to answer, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.